Hi, it's Emily. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I just thought I would vlog our day just because I've been so busy recently that it's been hard to upload videos to YouTube because I don't have time to film because I'm so busy doing stuff. I figured I would just vlog what I was doing, and I may have a lot more vlogs this summer, but I hope you all enjoy these. So I just left the chiropractor in this building behind me, and I've been going to the chiropractor like a couple of times a week because I've been having a lot of problems with my neck. My neck is doing a lot better now, but I've also been having problems with my hip and my sciatic nerve, and it's been like really hurting. So I've been going to the chiropractor. He's been working on that and helping me get better. It's tough when you have two kids that you're always picking up and always carrying. It just like wears on your body. So I'm thankful to have a good chiropractor here at home. So I was looking online and I found this nursery really close to me, and I was looking on my GPS on my phone, and it's literally 4 minutes away from my chiropractor. I wanted to go to this nursery because they're supposed to specialize in having unique plants, like exotic and unique plants that you don't see everywhere else or like at typical nurseries. So I wanted to go and just look at their plants. There is a plant that I'm looking for. I'm looking for the pink princess philodendron, I think is how you say it. So I'm hoping that they have one, but I don't know how expensive it's going to be because they do have unique and exotic plants. I don't know, I may not be able to afford any of the plants that they have, but I thought it's only 4 minutes away from my chiropractor. We actually are gonna pass it on our way home. Like, I didn't even realize it was there. So we're just gonna go stop in and look around and see what they have. The flowers?
We got these yellow ones.
Yeah. Where are you looking at?
I'm looking at these plants. Mommy! Your camera's getting dirty.
Wow. Just like one leaf. That is so big. And does it go all the way up there?
Yeah, I need to cut up there too.
Wow.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's so cool.
It's not frozen.
It's cool?
We're looking at these right here. These carnivorous plants. I think that's how you say it. They eat bugs. And also these ones here, the bugs get caught down in the plant and they eat them. What do y'all think of those?
I can't see them.
The bugs get caught in there.
There.
Look at this, you all. This is a variegated monstera. monstera. These are rare and very wanted and popular plants. These are little babies that he's starting. These are so pretty. Okay, so here's the plant that I was looking for. It's the Pink Princess, and they do have them. He said he would sell me this one, so I'm trying to decide whether or not I'm gonna get it or not. I think I might go ahead and get it because I did come looking for it and I found it. He said the other ones weren't ready. This is the only one he would sell me. So you can see how it has like some pink variegation in the leaves. Okay, so I just got home and I did buy the plant. It was a good price. I feel like, considering the prices that I was seeing online, I feel like this was a pretty good price for the size of the plant and how good it looks. I'm outside talking to you all because the girls are really fussy today. I don't know what their problem is, but the whole time we were there, they were fussing. I didn't record that part, but Everly just kept saying she wanted to go home, she wanted to go home. So I wanted to go to one other place, but they were just not feeling it today, so we went ahead and came home. So apparently Rosie is tired because she fell asleep on the floor. Look at her, she got her blankies in her cup and she just fell asleep. So I'm gonna pick her up and put her in her bed. So I got her in here asleep. I got Evie set up in here with some Play-Doh. She's playing, having fun. Are you having fun? By yourself? Yeah, Sissy went to sleep.
Get this off. I need to read the bag here.
Okay, hold on, let me get this off.
You did it last night.
Yeah, there we go. Turn that one off. There we go.
All of it in, right?
Okay, so I'm gonna get started on lunch. Today's video is sponsored by Home Chef, and I'm super excited to be working with them, so thank you, Home Chef, for sponsoring this video. So I got my Home Chef box in the mail a couple of days ago, and I already fixed one of the recipes and it was really good. So I'm gonna do that for lunch because it's perfect, because we're so busy, especially this summer. It seems like we've been running around so much that it's really like easy that they just deliver the box to your door. They sent this little book with cards in it of all the recipes that I picked out. They have 26 weekly menu options. This is the one that I did yesterday, and these recipes are simple recipes. They're not like super hard and complicated, like you can't do them. They just add like an extra little twist to simple recipes and make them unique. You can get recipes that are $9.95 per serving for dinners, and they are big servings, so I feel like it's a good value for the price. So this one's the one that I did the other day, and here's some of the other ones that I got as well. But today I'm going to be making this creamy tomato skillet lasagna because it looks really good. And I love these recipe cards because it's got this step-by-step instructions and it's super easy to follow along and do. So I found the one that I'm doing today. I love that these meals can be prepared in just 30 minutes or less. Like I said, we're really busy. We were out running today and I'm hungry, and it's really nice that I can have a home cooked meal in just 30 minutes and I have everything I need right here. Everly has been begging me to help cook, so she's in the kitchen with me and I'm gonna be closely monitoring her so she doesn't get hurt. done. We're getting ready to eat. It looks so good. So make sure you use my code to get $20 off of your first 4 boxes. That's a savings of $80 total. You don't have to do 4 weeks in a row. If you want to skip a couple of weeks, you can do that. So make sure you use my code and check out the link in the description down below. You like it?
Try this part. What's that?
Okay, we just got done eating and it was so good. So thank you again to Home Chef for sponsoring this video. Evan has been out of town for work here recently and he is headed home today. So I'm just gonna go around and get some things done before he gets home. I need to get some laundry folded and put away. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I can get things done quicker if I'm not having to video, and I'm almost out of memory and my battery is dying. So it's a good time to end. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you